Hello students, once again welcome to online class. So student, we will learn math of class 3, and in the previous part we will discuss and learn about how to compare numbers and ascending and descending numbers. So in this part we will do checkpoint 1.3. So let's start. So student, let's start our checkpoint 1.3. So student, see, question number 1 is your compare using less than, equal to, or greater than. So see A number. Your A number is 1117 and here 1111. So which number is greater? Yes, 1117 is greater than 1111. So we put sign of greater than. Now see B number. In B number 2115 and here is 2114. So 2115 is greater than 2114. So we put greater than. Now C1, here is 5414 and here 5454. So 5414 is less than 5454. So we put less than. Now see D number. In D number you have seen 8548 and here 8458. So 8548 is greater than. So we put greater than sign because 8514 is greater than 8458. Now see E number. In E number you have seen 7747 and here you see 7774. So 7747 is less than 7774. So we put less than. Now see F number. Here given 3-digit number. So your 3-digit number is 487 and here 451. So which one? Yes, 487 is greater than. So we put greater than sign because 487 is greater than 451. Now see G number. Here G number is given 248 and here given 2481. Means these are 4-digit number and this is your 3-digit number. So we discussed that 4-digit number is greater. So your 4-digit number is greater than 248. So this will be your less than. So we put less than. That means 248 is less than 2481. Now see H number. Here is 287 and again here again given 287. So both are equal. So we put equal to put करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद है तुम्हारा I नंबर देखो 8527 and here given 8524. So 8527 is greater. So we put greater than sign because 8527 is greater than 8524. So student, now you know how to compare the numbers. Now your second question is rewrite in ascending order. So now you understand how to write ascending order. Yes, we will already discuss that in ascending order we have to write from smallest to greatest. So see A number. Here is given 2541. Here given 2658. Here given 2145. Here given 3651. So which is the smallest number? Yes, your smallest number is 2145. So we write first 2145. Now next, which is greater than, now next number which is, yes, your next number is 2541. Now again next one, which is smallest, yes, 2658. And last one is your greatest number, that is 3651. So now you know how to write ascending order from smallest to greatest. This one is your smallest number, then again greatest, then again, and last one is your greatest number. So we are going from smallest to greatest. So your B number is, see, 5847, 2415, 6895, 1245. So which one is smallest? Yes, your smallest number is 1245. Now another smallest one is your 2415. So we write 2415. Then is your 5847. So we write 5847. And greatest number is your 6895. So see here again, we write from smallest to greatest number. So this will be your ascending order. In ascending order, we write from smallest to greatest number. Now see next one. Your next number is 6524, 1254, 874, 3254. So see here. Here is this number is your 3-digit number. That means it is smallest. So we write first 3-digit number, that is 874. Then after which one? Yes, by comparing this, which one is? Yes, this is your smallest number. So we write 1254. Then we write 3254. Then we write 6524. So this is your number which are arranged in ascending order. So see your answer from smallest to greatest number. Now next, D number, again see D number, 8659, 2165, 1554, 6547. So which one is smallest? Yes, your smallest number is 2100. Sorry, your smallest number is 1554. Means we write 5554 because this is smallest number. So we write this number first. Then after, your smallest number is 2165. So we write 2165. Then after is your 6547. So we write 547. And last one is your 8659. So we write 8659. That means these are arranged in smallest to greatest. So these numbers are in ascending order. Now you understand how to arrange the number in ascending order. So student, now your question number 3. Your question number 3 is rewrite in descending order. Means you have to write from greatest to smallest. So see the number. Your number is 2541, 2658, 2145, 3651. So see, in this which number is greatest? Yes, your greatest number is 3651. So we write 3651. Then smallest than smaller than 3006, which number? Yes, smaller number is your 2658. Then smallest Yes, then smallest is here 2541. Then smallest is here 2145. So see student, you have write the numbers from greatest to smallest. So this number are arranged in descending order. That means from greatest to smallest. In this way you have to done another one. So see B number is your B number question C 5847, 2415, 6895 and 1245. So now see again which one is greater. Yes, your greatest number is 6895. So we write here 6895. Now from this which is smallest? Yes, from this your smallest number is 5847. Then another number is 2415 and last smallest one is 1245. So see again here range from greatest to smallest. So this will be your answer. Now see again C number 6524, 1254, 874, 3254. So see again student, here again given 3-digit number. So this will be smallest. So we do not write it, we will write it at the last because this is 3-digit number. So first we put greatest number. So see which one is greatest number. So greatest number is here 6524. तो हम लोग किसको लिखेंगे पहले 6524 का. अब उससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है, उससे छोटा नंबर है 3254. सो हम लोग लिखेंगे 3254. अब उससे छोटा है तुम्हारा 1254. तो 1254 लिखे. अब ये वाला लिखेंगे क्योंकि ये 3-digit नंबर है इसलिए लास्ट में आएगा. तो 874. तो फिर वही देखो यहाँ से फिर है ग्रेटेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट मतलब बड़े से छोटा. तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. अब डी नंबर का देखो 8659, 2165, 1554, 6547. So your answer C. Which one is greatest? Yes, your greatest number is 8659. मतलब बड़ा नंबर सबसे कौन सा है 8659. अब उससे छोटा तुम्हारा है 6547. उससे छोटा है तुम्हारा 2165 और उससे छोटा है तुम्हारा 1554. सो अब देखा. सो स्टूडेंट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू राइट numbers in descending order. Yes, you have to write a number in descending order from greatest to smallest मतलब बड़े से छोटा. So student now question number 4. Question number 4 you have to done in your books. So see what is your question. There are 10 cards each of 1000, 100, tens and ones. Color as many cards is as required in to form the given numbers. One has been done for you. So one has been done for you. So how you have to done I will explain you and you have to done number B, C and D yourself. So see your first number is what given. A number is given 2435. So see in 1000 place how many numbers. Yes, 2 cards. So we will color yellow 2 cards. We will color yellow color 2 cards. Now in 100 place there is 4. So there is 4 blue cards in 100 place. Now in 10 place how many cards? 3. So we will color 3 red color. We will color the red color in 3 cards in 10 plates. So it will be 3. Now in 1 place how many? Yes, 5. So we will color 5 cards in green color. See here given 2, here given 4, here given 3 and here given 5. So you have to done like this all others. So do yourself this number in your book. So students see now question number 5. circle the smallest number and cross out the biggest number in each group. So you have to, मतलब तुमको जो है स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को सर्कल करना है और बिगेस्ट नंबर को क्रॉस आउट करना है हर ग्रुप में. तो कैसे करेंगे देखो. नंबर ए देखो क्या दिया गया है. 2345, 4587, 2541, 2365. सो विच वन इज स्मॉलेस्ट. देखो बोलो कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट है. यस, योर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 2345. सो वी विल सर्कल 3000. We will circle 2345. Now in this group again see which number is biggest. Yes, your biggest number is 4587. So we cross it, cross out. So student, B number 5454, 5456, 4875, 4578. So tell me which one is smallest. Tell which one is smallest. Yes, your smallest number is 4578. So we circle it. हमको स्मॉल नंबर को सर्कल करना है. तो ये हुआ स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, तो इसको सर्कल करेंगे. अब इसी ग्रुप में मुझे बताओ विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट नंबर. कौन सा बिगेस्ट नंबर है. येस, योर बिगेस्ट नंबर इज़ 5456. सो वी क्रॉस इट. नाउ सी अगेन, C1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. येस, योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ 5214, 5253, 8523, 1201. So which one is smallest? Yes, your smallest number is 1201. So we circle it. And which one is greatest? So your greatest number is 8523. So we cross it. इसको हम क्रॉस करेंगे. अब देखो D नंबर 5415, 1230, 1234, 1452. So which one is smallest? Tell me which one is smallest. Which one is smallest? So student, the smallest number is here 1230. So circle it. And which is greatest? Yes, this will be. So it will be cross out. So student, now checkpoint 1.3 is completed, and do checkpoint 1.3 in your copy as a homework. You have to write it in your copy.